Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So as you know me, and I think I've said this before, I'm not really big into buying new cars, and well, with new cars you get new technology and better safety. So I like upgrading my old cars to match new cars. And in today's video, we're going to be doing that to my 2003 Miata with new headlights. So now what we got here is a set of LED lights from Auxito. Now big shout out to Auxito, they're my first sponsor of the channel. They reached out to me asking if I could review some of their headlights, and I thought, what a perfect scenario, I can use these for the Miata. So right now we're going through the unboxing, and they give you a set of white gloves so you can safely touch the bulbs. They give you some tape and some zip ties so you can secure the rest of the wiring down. They give you an instruction manual, some information, and some how-to to install it. And finally, they give you the LEDs. Now, rule of thumb with halogen bulbs is you're really not supposed to touch the outside of the bulb with your bare skin. Your skin has oils and corrosives on it that will take the life out of that bulb a lot more faster than just normally handling with gloves. So that's why they give you these nice cotton gloves. I'm not too sure about the LED bulbs, I guess you can say, but hey, they provide it, the manufacturer knows better, and well, I'm just gonna use the same rule of thumb I've been using since I learned how to change light bulbs. And there you have it, everything that came in the box. Let's go outside and get this onto the car. Nice, okay. All right, pretty much this is straightforward. If you ever change a light bulb before, nothing really changes here. Every car is different, and some may be really a pain in the butt to get to, but lucky for us, the Miata, it is super accessible. Right here, all you do is just twist, and it should pull out like so. Then you go to the back, push down the connector clip, and it should pull right out. Now we go on to our LED bulb, and it should just plug right in. Remember back in the day when HIDs were the biggest thing? Well, LEDs have far surpassed it. There's no warm-up time, there's no giant ballast. It's just this little box and a little more cable. It pops right in and it turns right on in an instant. Now that we got our one side plugged in, we'll head over to the other, repeat the process, in and out, and just like that, we should be good to go. Oh, also don't forget to secure it tightly so you don't have the little box bashing around every time you take a turn. Okay, let's do a little before and after driving here. Right now, I have my normal headlights on. They're the ones that came with the car. Just driving around my little neighborhood, and it's pretty well lit, but I'm trying to go and find some dimly lit streets and just do it a little before and after driving, so take a look. Okay, big reveal time. So these right now are the stock halogen headlights. And now these are the Auxito LEDs. What a huge difference. They're very noticeable, they light up the road a lot better, and the presentation looks stellar. Now here's a before and after side by side. We have the LEDs on the left and the factories on the right, and I don't know about you, but that is a major improvement. Now if you guys like what you see and you want some LEDs, Auxito has hooked us up and we're getting 15% off your next order if you use Bobby Belts as the promo code. So yeah, on top of this is a great mod if you just want to keep your car stock but want more visibility. Other than HIDs, LEDs aren't as bright and blinding to other drivers, but illuminate the road better than typical halogens. LED lights can be beneficial if you live in the country with no lights, or even in the city with lights everywhere. And not only are LEDs brighter than halogen or even incandescent bulbs, but they don't use as much energy, and that means less load on your electrical system. Now, I'm not telling you if you're popping headlight bulb fuses or just blowing through headlights every week to tell that LEDs are gonna be your go-to savior fix, but in a normal car application, hey, why not? You can't go wrong. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's really quick, really simple to do. I have it on multiple of my vehicles, not only the Miata, and I can tell you, I drive city and country driving. It's perfect. I also want to give another shout out to Auxito for sponsoring this video and hooking you guys up with a discount. Like, subscribe, and follow for more.